Address that comment today. I want to talk about something today that'll bounce off. I want to talk about something that he was asked to do something at the job he works at. Oh my goodness, this is terrible. All right, here we go again. I was looking at the Facebook group page today, and there was a comment on there, and it was a guy asking for questions. Cut. I was looking at the Facebook. I was looking at the Facebook. So. And here's one that just didn't make the cut. Y'all, I just found something out. These little red apple spice gummies, I don't think they're for human consumption. I ate like over a half a box before I realized this. It had some Spanish writing on there, and I can't read Spanish, but it kind of sticks in your teeth too. It don't go down too good with coffee. I don't think these is like them gummy bear things and gummy worms and stuff like that kids eat today. So if you get some of these, just throw them away. Don't eat them. They ain't good.